Hello and welcome to a short video as part of the Walkerscott Power BI showcase. This is actually a short video on marketing data and presenting that marketing data back to the business to prove marketing effectiveness. If we just go to, this is a 4-page report or dashboard. We have on our first page, we have our filters down the left hand side, which is quite common on basically all of our reports, our standard reports we have. We'll have our filters there, so we can choose different years and different periods. And again, any dimension that we have in the data, we can actually have a filter and choose and select by those dimensions. Across the top, we have our cards, and this gives our summary level data. We have our digital leads, which again is a further page, and event leads, ad leads, and it gives our overall conversion rate to work out what sort of conversion we're getting for our marketing spend. Again, total leads. So all this data here is aggregated, and it comes in and shows some of the different dimensions that we use to divide our metrics up, obviously by channel. So we're talking about events, digital advertising as a high level. We also do by country and business group within those countries. You can see if you can hover over those, you can see the actual down to toiletries, cosmetics. And then you can do impressions by conversion rate, which again gives another level of detail down to category of products. So it's in the business group, toiletries, products, soaps, and how many impressions you get, and then what's the conversion rate from those. If we scroll down to the next page, we go to our first level is our digital. So we get our digital leads here. Again, we've got our same filters, so we can choose different periods. Again, we've got our cards, so we get that nice consistent look, so users can know exactly where to look. We've got our impressions, flows through to our clicks, how many leads, and what's our click-through rate. So again, how successful are we to get people onto their page, and what do they do once they get there? We then break this down through digital. We talk about whether it's by baby care, cosmetics, again by sort of category with the business. How much each lead costs us, which is obviously a vital statistics when you talk marketing spend on how much each one costs. Which products attract the best return, so in what type of products. So concealers and mobile banner, they get 3.4 thousand clicks. Again, coming through impressions by conversion rate, we talk top view products, and again clicks by product. So we're going to get that absolute metric where the marketing people know exactly what's effective to put on different marketing methods. Click through the next page, and we go through to our next level, which is our events. Again, we had the across the top, and we talk about our different events we have for marketing. So again, our events, the attendees, how many leads, and what our conversion rates from events. Again, we've gone back to country as one of our dimensions. We talk about a date dimension on this one to show each quarter how successful campaigns are at different times of the years. How many attendees by region. So we're in the Americas, in the grey we've got the Asia Pacific. And our least converted, which is probably something that they don't want to admit to, but where they unsuccessful. Obviously, here in shampoos and moisturisers, we're not successful in generating any interest from events. Scroll across to our last page, and we talk about our reach, our advertisements and our advertisement reach. So again, we have our articles published. So where do we have our articles? How many did we have? How many people do we think we should hit? And how many leads? And again, our conversion rate. So again, we've got some different graphs just highlighting again down to different areas within the business and how successful they are in marketing. Thanks for listening to this little video and watching and listening, and hope you learned a little bit about Power BI and the features you can add to these reports. Thank you.